Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Owner and CEO of Down Sound Entertainment, Joe Bogdanovich, and his team have put the R Hotel in New Kingston on the market for sale. Realtor Andrew Issa of Coldwell Bankers is seeking to sell the New Kingston Hotel for US $16.5 million or 2.5 billion Jamaican dollars, according to RJR News. Short-term rentals such as Airbnbs are reportedly diverting business which would normally flow to a property the size of the R Hotel. The hotel, located on Renfrew Road, occupies 57,000 square feet and has 48 rooms. Jamaica Broilers Group President Christopher Levy is now overseeing the group's American operations. This is a result of the departure of his brother, Stephen Levy, who has also resigned from the board of directors effective May 3, 2025. Christopher Levy will now oversee some of the group's most significant U.S. acquisitions, including England Farms of Rison in the state of Arkansas, now known as International Poultry Breeders Arkansas, Whelp Hatchery in the state of Iowa, Crystal Farms Mills, Pennsylvania, now Crystal Feeds, and Gentry's Poultry in the state of South Carolina, now known as the Best Dressed Chicken, USA. The earnings season continues with reports from listed companies. Gaming and entertainment firm Supreme Ventures Limited audited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024, reports a 32% decline in net profit for the year end. Private banking firm MFS Capital Partners Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ended December 31, 2024 reports 6 months net profit of $50.67 million. Air conditioning firm CAC 2000 Limited audited financials for the 12 months ended October 31, 2024 reports a year-end net profit of $22.26 million. Restaurant and Real Estate Holding Company KLE Group Limited audited financials for the 12 months ended December 31, 2024 reports year-end net loss of $25.72 million. For the trading period ending March 10, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,574,407 units traded, representing 19.85% of market sales volume. Online education provider Edufocal Limited with 1,908,034 units traded, representing 10.60% of market sales volume. International hardware and electrical supplies firm Fosrich Company Limited with 1,205,280 units traded, representing 6.69% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 10, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $59.73 million purchased and US $54.93 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.28 per dollar, selling the US at $157.64 and buying the US at $156.36. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.61 per transaction, with selling at $109.51 and buying at $107.90. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.68 in profit, with selling at $200.59 and buying at $196.91. For our credit report tip of the day, divorce can feel like starting over financially, but is also a chance to rebuild stronger than before. If your credit score took a hit during the process, don't just focus on repairing it. Use it as a tool to create new income streams. A solid credit score isn't just about loans and approvals. It's about leveraging financial opportunities to generate wealth. Here are some ideas. Consider that business credit cards provide capital to manage cash flow and invest in revenue-generated activities. Alternatively, you can access lower interest rates on personal and business loans, which means less money paid in interest and more for investments. Now we're talking about rebuilding resilience and having financial recovery. If you're a professional woman over the age of 45, think about this. If imposter syndrome is whispering that you're not good enough, networking and industry events will prove otherwise. Surround yourself with action takers. Be open to learning and step boldly into new opportunities. Here's why. These events create opportunities to sharpen your pitch. Talking about your expertise helps you to refine how you position yourself. Also, learn marketable skills. Workshops and panels expose you to industry trends and monetizable skills. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.